Welcome to ModiMakes.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is ModiMakes, and today we're gonna be getting into something that's been a long time in the making. I'm gonna be creating my first pair of custom painted shoes. Now, this is something that I've wanted to do for a while, and for my birthday, my good friend, who I won't name because I don't know if he would like me to, gave me this pair of all white leather Van slip-ons and this box of Angelus acrylic leather paints. Now, this is gonna be a little bit funky because I'm gonna be doing my blue meanie style on these, and it's been a long time since I've used a paintbrush to do something like this because I'm an illustrator, so I like to use my Posca pen because it feels like drawing, but we're gonna give it a shot regardless. Now, these pieces won't have any names, and they're not gonna have a deeper meaning like a lot of my pieces normally do because they're apparel, and sometimes things can look good just for the sake of looking good, and that's all right. So let's get into it, shall we? have it, my peoples. My first pair of custom painted shoes is complete. And you know, this is a lot harder project than I expected it to be. It took way longer. My brush skills really need some improvement and some more practice and whatnot. And the paints are just a little bit more difficult to work with than I expected. There's a lot of stuff that went into this that didn't show up on camera just because it would have been really boring for you guys to watch. Pretty much every color needed at least 2 layers, most of them 3, and some of them even 4 layers in order to make them, you know, flat enough and opaque enough. And you have to work really hard to make sure that there's no brush strokes that are still visible, like there's no texture to it and stuff, if you want it to really look like the shoe came out of the factory looking this way, which I didn't worry about entirely just because, you know, they are hand painted shoes and they're my artwork and I want them to look like they're hand painted. So there's a little bit of that in there, but I tried to make it as nice as I could, being that this is my first time doing it and I really didn't know what I was getting myself into. I just kind of dove right for it and whatnot. But I think I'm really happy with how they turned out. I really like how they look, but let me know what you guys think of the piece down in the, or I guess of the shoes, down in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions or anything you want to see me do in the future, go ahead and throw those in the comments as well. And if you liked the video, give me a like, that would be amazing. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, the #1 thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough. It would be amazing. And with all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get in those final shots, shall we?
Just beat the devil out of